Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your TikTok account. So first of all, just open up the TikTok application in your mobile and now simply tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. When you are here, you have to tap on these three bars in the top right corner and then simply go for this settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, tap on this first option account and now you can see this last option deactivate or delete account. Tap on it. Now you will see there are two options, deactivate account or delete account permanently. So we want to delete account permanently. Just tap on this delete account permanently and then you have to select a reason. I'm just going for this. I'm just select any reason, it doesn't matter. Tap on this continue and now you can request to download your TikTok data. If you have, I don't have it any, tap on this continue, tap on this continue again and now you just have to enter your password and then after entering the password you just simply have to tap on this delete account and your TikTok account will be deleted permanently. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.